My name is Jim Showalter. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of the Americas at Disruptive Technologies. Today, I'm thrilled to announce our entry into the healthcare market. At Disruptive Technologies, we simplify sensor data. Healthcare providers today face many challenges: ensuring patient safety, managing compliance, and maintaining operational efficiency. Our tiny postage-stamp wireless sensors solve these challenges. The sensors install in minutes, there's no wires, and there's no complex IT setups. Once installed, the sensor instantly sends data to your cloud dashboard, allowing your team to spend less time checking equipment and more time caring for patients. Our sensor stands out because it's simple, it's easy to install, and it requires zero maintenance. Plus, we offer a 5-year calibration certificate to simplify your compliance and audit processes. It may be small, but you can expect 15 years of battery life from this tiny device. Our use of cellular connectivity removes the traditional challenges of Wi-Fi, things like connectivity and security, ensuring that your data remains safe and accessible. Like I said, small sensor, big impact. Don't be fooled into thinking big data requires big devices. You'd be amazed at what this tiny sensor can do. I invite you to learn more by downloading the brochure linked in the comments below and join us in helping to secure and simplify healthcare operations. You can also visit our website or connect directly. We'd love to explore how we can help you. Thank you for watching.